Good morning, everyone. This is Roslyn from TLC Total Life Changes. I live in St. John, Indiana. I am a mother, wife, grandmother, nurse, friend. This video is, so I just got home from the gym, my first workout of the year. I'm going to start doing meal replacements, drinks with my company. So we have 2 different flavored meal replacements. And so I'm just going to go through the journey with you. I've never made this before. I'm just going to show you what I'm putting in my meal replacement. Okay. So don't judge me. This is the gym look. I'm about to go shower and get ready for work. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to show you everything I'm putting in my meal. So I started out with 1 cup of water. Wonder if I should bring you closer. 1 cup of water. I had some strawberries in the freezer. I rinsed them off because they were freezer burnt, but I'm not throwing it away, so I'm gonna use it anyway. So that's what I'm gonna put in first, and then I'll show you all the supplements that I have that I'm gonna add to it. So it's my 1 cup of frozen strawberries. I'm not using milk in this meal replacement because I am getting over a cold, and whenever you have a cold, you should not be consuming dairy products because of the mucus that it could produce. So remember, when you're sick, no dairy. Okay, so that's why I'm using water as my base. And I believe this matrix, it has a little dairy in it anyway. No, it's vegan, organic vegan protein. Wow. It has organic chia seeds, brown rice protein, organic millet, organic ashwagandha root, organic maca root, organic Ganoderma lucidum. That's a medicinal mushroom. My company is bomb. So that's what I'm doing. The Matrix meal replacement, 21 grams of protein per serving. It's a vanilla flavored shake mix. So I put a cup and a half of my strawberry. And now I'm going to put, I hope this tastes good. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion. So now I'm going to put this protein mix in. And now I'm going to add some supplements that I take anyway throughout the day. I'm just going to put it in here because why not? So this right here is my sea moss. I love my sea moss. It gives me energy. It reduces inflammation like my knees. It has dragon fruit and coconut. So I kind of pulled out some things that I know the flavors would mix well together or go well together. So that's my sea moss. This is my Fight, which gives me all of my daily greens that I need. So this has it's TLC Super Greens Fight blend, which has wheatgrass powder, barley, grass powder, alfalfa leaf powder, spirulina powder, chlorella powder, apple pectin, licorice root, spinach leaf powder, beet root, nettle leaf powder, dandelion leaf powder. I love ingredients that I can pronounce for the most part. Okay, so that's my Fight. This is going to give me my daily greens. If you're not a big vegetable eater, I recommend this Fight, and it don't taste bad at all. So this is an experiment. We'll see. You know how you do green smoothies and you put your spinach or your kale and stuff in? That's my spinach and kale right here. Now, what I wish I had was an apple. I like to have something solid, not frozen like an apple or banana, but I don't have that today. And I wasn't going to make up any excuse not to do this shake because this is my new year, not resolution, but something new that I'm doing for the new year is doing a few meal replacements, and I'll have 1 meal. I'm doing a fast with a group this week. So I'm going to do all liquids during the day, and then after 4, I'm going to have a meal. So that's just what I'm doing now. It's nice to change things up a bit. I do have 10 to 15 pounds to lose. So, you know, if you keep doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result, that's called insanity. So for the new year, I'm going to try something different so I can get some results. Right here is my immunity, and this immunity, shoot, it has vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin D3. It has Tulsi extract. It has, ginger, turmeric in here. It's a lot of good stuff in here to boost your immune system. So my last video, if you all watched that, I was like, you know, I haven't been sick. And I hadn't. Remind me of a lady on TikTok. But my son came over for Christmas with a bug, and I was his nurse and helped him get well. And yeah, so I caught it. But I blame myself because I did not mask up while he was here. I did not practice the precautions I should have for someone who was sick. So yeah, that's my fault. Full disclosure. Okay, what else am I putting in here? ISO tea. So my company has this fruit punch flavored tea. So I take my detox tea every day anyway. So I'm just putting everything in here that I usually take and just see how it works. This is Nutriburst. I had a little bit of this before I went to the gym this morning, but because it has an orangey flavor and I'm putting you know, stuff like that in here, I'm just gonna try it out. So yeah, I'm trying to clean as I go along, putting everything in here. Okay. Da, 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 da. I don't know how this is going to work with this video, but I'm going to turn it on. So hold on one second. That's good enough. I love this Nutribullet. It mixes so well. I hope that noise didn't bother anyone. But I wanted to share what I'm doing because a lot of people, like, they have some TLC products, but they don't know how to use them, or they don't know how to incorporate them so they won't just be drinking 10,000 different TLC products throughout the day. So this is my stainless steel straw. It's my first time using it. I did wash it. Let's see. I actually like this consistency without the apple. I taste the strawberry. I don't even taste the fight that strong. Like the greens, girl. I do taste a little chalkiness from the matrix, but I don't have a consistency issue. Like my husband don't like to drink different things because he like, I don't like the consistency. My stepdaughter too. I ain't lying, y'all. This ain't bad. What would I do different? I don't know. Maybe I'll add an apple or a banana. Probably would take this to another level. A half a banana, but that's not bad at all. So this is the vanilla one, and I don't really do smoothies in the wintertime because I like warm things, but it is what it is. Like, that's just what I'm going to be doing. Okay. This matrix is also a meal replacement. This is chocolate brownie flavored. This is also 21 grams of protein, and so I'm going to have this for either, well, I'm going to have to have it for lunch because I'll get a chance to eat dinner with the fast. Oh, man, the one thing I forgot to put in here. I'm going to start taking this chaga, and this is a medicinal mushroom too. So if you've heard of Siberian chaga, my company has this. It's a superfood, and it supports your immune system too. It does a lot of things, and I can't do say any medical claims publicly, but yeah, look up and research chaga and see if you could benefit from that. But that's all I have for you today. I hope this video was helpful. I put quite a few TLC products in here, and they didn't coincide or, you know, like taste nasty with each other. So just experiment, just like I did. I swear I've never done this before. So it's my first time doing it with you, and it worked out. So I'm going to put a lid on this and go get my shower and get ready for work. I hope you all have a fabulous, fabulous day. Click the link in my description box to order things from my website, okay? And if you want to join the company, you want to sell the products because you already use them and you love it and you want to share it with other people, you can also click the link in my description box as well. So thank you and have a blessed day.